Sometimes I think I got nothing in common with the rest of the human race. Completely out of place, like a visitor from outer space. Sometimes I think it's all a big game that everybody plays but me. It's a big conspiracy. I'll tell you a story and I won't lie. Mama used to make a salamander pie. Crunchy munchy, be good for you. Think about it, turn some folk blue. Where you go down your creek, you take off your socks. Look for the salamander underneath the rocks. Find one, take a stick, and then you whomp him. If you can't find a stick, you just take your foot and stomp him. Salamander pie. Turn up the rocks and you watch them run. Little critter skeeter in the noonday sun. Find one, take a stick, and then you sock it. Put what left into your pocket. Put take a stick, they son. Put the salamander on the table. Salamander good to fry or bake. You can make yourself a salamander pie or cake or pie man salamander can make you. You can make yourself a salamander pie or cake. Salamander cake. Mama say that you just can't beat it. Mama say it, but you never eat it. I'll tell you a story and I won't lie. There ain't nothing finer than salamander pie. No, there ain't nothing finer than salamander pie. Yay, 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 yay. Where do you think you're going?